Hello friends, welcome back to Wealth Guru, and here I am going to discuss about a company which is India's largest battery manufacturer, and it is Exide Industries. So we'll be discussing in detail about Exide Industries and how prospects look for this company, and whether you should invest in this stock now, and if yes, what should be a strategy for the long term, and what the company's fundamental and technical analysis looks like at this point of time. All right. So here it is, Exide Industries. Some of you know it is a very old company, started in the year 1947, and has been in operation for last 75 years. And they have been pretty much operating in automotive batteries, industrial batteries, inverter batteries, solar solutions, genset batteries, submarine batteries, home UPS, and e-rickshaw vehicles. So these are the things they have been working on, and one of the biggest prospect that they have is in electric vehicle, which if they can succeed in that industry, they are going to be one of the great companies to look for in maybe the next decade or so. So let's see whether they are going to be able to achieve that, and if yes, what should be as an investor all of us should do. All right, so let's get into the details of the fundamentals of the stock, and let's get into the technicals as well. So before you proceed, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I bring in such videos almost every day. All right, so here is the stock, how it looks like. It has a market cap of close to 12,000 crores and has a PE of almost 17.6. The current market price is 151, and if you look at the book value is almost 90. So it is it's kind of fairly valued. I should say it's kind of one of the cheaper companies available in the market right now. And if you look at the 52-week high and low, the high was 221 and low was 146. So it's pretty much close to its 52-week low right now. And the dividend yield it has provided over the years is 1.32%. So it's been a good company which has been paying dividends as well. So let's look at how the stock has performed over the years. If you look at a maximum chart, it moved from 13 to almost a high of 290. But if you look at a more reasonable 5-year chart, it reached almost 292 in August of 2018, and after that it has been steadily declining to reach 128 during COVID, and then moved ahead to reach a level of 211 on February of 2021. After that, it has been ups and downs, which is happening in the stock. So it moves up, goes down like that. And if you look at the last year chart only, it has actually been kind of goes down, moves up. So if you consider this chart at this point of time, it looks like it is going to move, have an uptrend over here, which is just steadily going down, up, and finally it's down here. So most probably it is going to go up from here like this. And 1 month has also been steadily negative, but I think the chart we should look for is the 1 year chart, which is giving good symbol of that this is going to go up from this level. All right, so let's also look at the pros and the cons of the company. The pros are the company is almost debt free, and we'll look into the balance sheet to understand how much debt it has. The company has maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 29.99%. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 10.05% over the past 5 years. That's the cons, and the company has a low return on equity of 12.47%. And if you look at who are their peers in the market, you'll see Motherson Sumi, Bose, Minda Industries, and Endurance Tech, and Wapco India. These are the peers. But if you look at this, what all of them are actually auto ancillary companies. But if the pure play, if you see who that peer is going to be Amar Raja Batteries, who manufactures the Amaran batteries. So I think we should actually compare these two stocks instead of comparing Exide Industries with other stocks. And if you look at these two stocks, they are pretty much lined up similarly. And if you look at this, Exide Industry has a PE of 17.58. Amaran or Amar Raja Batteries has a PE of 16.48. Dividend yield is almost the same, and net profit is also close to the same. So pretty much both the companies are moving in tandem, it looks like, and probably now is the time for both the companies to move up because of the electric vehicle market so slowly coming into a play, and both these stocks I think should move up from here. And if you look at the quarterly results, that's been kind of not has been going as per the expectations. And if you look at the last quarter results, it had a sales of close to 3,300 crores, and operating profit was 359 crores, and the profit before tax is 250 crores. So decent enough profit for a company of this size. Still, they have been showing good profit as well, almost 250 crores every quarter. That's pretty good enough. And if you look at the balance sheet, and as we said earlier, that the borrowings or debt is really low. So borrowings is just 691 crores, so which is pretty decent for a company of this size. And other liabilities are huge, but the debt is really low. So that's definitely a positive on the stock. And if you look at the shareholding pattern, you see that the promoters have been holding close to the same level for almost years now. The 45.99% they hold, and FII also has been holding recently, and all the shareholding hasn't changed much, I should say. All right. So overall, the final verdict is this is a company which is for future, and also it has a huge past attached to it, almost for 75 years. Now is the time for this company to move into the EV space, and whether they can play a big part in the electric vehicle manufacturing, or maybe supporting the electric vehicle manufacturing. If they do so, the future is going to be awesome, and we're going to see a lot of potential of the stock going forward from here. Alright, I hope you liked this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.